did a little upgrade of my controls here. This area was getting a bit crowded because of the roadbook controls and all that. So I replaced the OEM flasher horn high beam low beam control, which is a bit bulkier but more skookum. I changed it for this Sicass Racing direct plug-in compact control unit. So, bit of a demonstration, has a little added functionality. So from this end, when I turn the bike on, I have off position. I have lights on, a little LED here. I got high beams, ooh, little LED there. Turn the lights off, low beam, off. Flashies, got a little flashy thing there. Horn, same thing. So that is the cool part. At this end, I did a little electrical swap. I swapped a pin in one of the connectors for the lighting harness. Very simple. So that means now I get no lights off with this new control. So when I'm running away from the cops, low beam or driving per usual, and now high beam keeps both lamps on. Cool.